So welcome to the session. Till now we have converted original image to grayscale image. You can see line number 21st here. Grayscale, source image has been converted to grayscale image and you can show it. Okay. After that, line number 23rd, we have converted grayscale to gray blur. So this is blurred image. Okay. And here image, so you can show this. Now we have called a function draw, and draw we have defined here Kiny output. So Kiny we have operated on blur image, so input as a gray blur, and then output is Kiny output. Then thresh is defined as a global parameter, global variable, line number 10. Okay, and second threshold 100 into 2, like thresh into 2. Okay, now image, so Kiny output. So here you can see Kiny output. Just I am trying to run this program. Okay, so you can see this one is original, right? This one is original. This one is grayscale. Color is gray here. Now a smoothing happens and this is blurred image, right? And after applying Kiny method, just it is converted to Kiny image, right? You can see all the boundaries is detected here. So this is how it works. Like now in this we'll be trying to find contours. Okay, so just what I am going to do, I am going to mark it like that. We need original image, and even Kiny image here it is not required, so just I am putting it like that. Okay, now we have to draw the image. Where we have to draw the image? MAT, suppose variable name is drawing. Okay, and then mat double colon zeros. In zeros row and column we need row and column. So for row you can see Kiny underscore output dot size. So it will take row and column of the same image. Okay, and then int type, say 3, or you can say cb underscore atuc3 is there. Yes, this one, this is type. So drawing is ready, right? Drawing is ready. Suppose you want to show image, show, and then say draw here. Okay, draw here, and you can drawing. Let's see how drawing looks. Okay, and this is the source window. I am just marking it like that because this is the black window. Okay, we'll use this. Control S, debug, start running the program. Wait for a second. Here you can see this one is original image, right? Original image, and this is a black window we created, black matrix, and here we will be drawing our contours. So to draw the contour, first we have to find the contour. So go one by one. We'll say here find contours. Find contours. Now input array, on which image you are going to find the contour. So we are going to find the contour or Kiny output. So Kiny underscore output. On Kiny one we are going to find the contours. So what would be the name where you will be storing, so that is contours. We are providing the name contours, right? Red lining is coming below the contours because it is not yet declared. Okay, and next one is hierarchy. Next one is hierarchy. Okay, hierarchy also it is not defined yet. So what to do here? First defined for contour, vector, and then vector, and then point, right? Data type of the contour contours. Now you can say red color, red lining below the contours have been eliminated or resolved. Next vector, and then V in uppercase for I. This is the type for what? Hierarchy. Now you can say red colors of hierarchy has been removed. Okay, here put comma, then you can say what else is needed. And mode, I mean in which mode you are going to find the hierarchy. Okay, so retrieval, RETR underscore tree you see. Okay, and then method is chain underscore approx underscore simple. So you can select this method and save this program. So find contours has been resolved here. Okay, now drawing is ready. Find contour has been applied on Canny. So next is we will be drawing the contours. For that we need to write for loop, right? So just write for size underscore t I equals 0. Okay, data type of I size underscore t, I is less than contours dot size and then I plus plus. Okay, give body for this. Okay, so size I plus plus. Now call a method called draw contours, and then see what would be the parameter draw contours. So it is asking first draw contours input output array image. Where you want to draw that? On that blackboard drawing is there. Okay, draw contours like input output of array contours. So for what you are going to draw? Contours, draw contours. Then contour index. So here we have applied loop, so just write int and then int I contour index. Then we need color, right? So color you can globally define here color. Suppose scalar color color equals 255, right? And control S, right? Blue color, and here you can pass drawing, and after drawing you can say color. Sorry, not here, this is here, color, color. And then what you need? Thickness.